it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Let's go shopping at the Gap. I am at the outlet store, so things may be a little bit different. But I shop Old Navy all the time. Old Navy, Gap are sort of similar. In my opinion, Gap's a little bit more elevated. That may be a thing. It might not just be my opinion. I feel like Gap does some really nice quality things. While they might not sell a big range of plus size, in my experience, I'm usually able to wear some things from there. So I will try to find what I'm wearing and link it down below. It may be a little bit different than what your store carries. It was like an hour-and-a-half drive to get here, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that we can try some things on. This is my second attempt at a video today. I actually went inside Forever 21 over here. It's massive. And I thought, yes, this is perfect. They're gonna have so much stuff. And while they do have a ton of things, do you guys sell plus size in store?
No, I'm not in store. The closest one that carries plus is going to be Destin.
Okay, thank you. And I was a little bit disappointed about that, but that's okay. Let's try again. Let's go shopping at the Gap. I did think about doing a TJ Maxx. It's right there, like an outlet shopping. I don't think they have clothes for me, but they may have some really good deals on other things. So let me know if that's something that you would want to see. These colored jeans are cute. What are these? High-rise wide leg crop. Let's see if they have my size. I did find these in my size. That might not be plus size, but I grabbed the 20. Let's find something cute to go over it. Maybe one of these sweaters. The largest size I see is extra large, but we'll take it. Oh wait, that is so cute. You would have to wear some sort of cami or something underneath it, but they do have an extra large. They have solids too. If you wanted just black or white. Remember when these skirts were so in, they were more like a maxi or like midi length. I like the look, it's not for me. This looks cute. It's a little midi skirt with a top. Does it match exactly? No. Why would they do that? But you could do the white shirt. We're gonna do it. Let's see if they have a skirt in my size. These kind of remind me of the cargo pants from Old Navy, and they've color coded them. So you've got black, navy, this green is really pretty with the matching tees. Let's start with our pink outfit. You get widescreen because I'm in a tiny room, but that's okay. So this is that extra large sweater. This is nice, like nice quality. I love the colors. I love the little split hem on the side. I think this size fits perfect. I don't know if I love these pants. They're a little bit snug. I like the cropped, like wider look at the bottom. Get used to these shoes. I wore them in here. They're from Target. I'll link them down below for you. So overall, it's fine. I don't like the pants. I like the idea of them. This pink color is pretty. They're high-waisted. They're just a little bit snug. So this overall is a cute outfit, like in theory. I just don't love it on, but honestly, I'm most excited for this. I think this is such a cool piece. I also grabbed a matching sweatsuit, like, whew. Y'all know I'm excited for that too. I love this top. I thought it would be a little bit more see-through. I mean, it is. I'm just wearing a nude bra, but I think it would be fine without like a cami or anything underneath it. I thought could be cute with these. I don't tend to love like super cropped things. So disregard the bottoms. This top, I think is so pretty. It is a little bit more fitted, but imagine this in the summertime. This would be so pretty. I wanted to try these pants with this top. It's got a little bit of green in it. These are called the Easy Pant. They're very comfortable. They're like drawstring, high-waisted, a little bit cropped, like slim ankle. I did grab the shirt that goes, like matches this, but I thought that we would try the crochet top first. Maybe it's the top. I don't know. I don't love this look either. It's not an exact match, but it's close enough. I also didn't realize it had a little bit of a ruffle sleeve. I like this top. It's very lightweight, very soft. I feel like it's a little bit dressy for the pants. Like now that I'm wearing both pieces together. This is nice though. I like this. And this came in so many different colors. That's just the tie for the pants. So I like the green color. I don't love it with the pants, but it is a nice, like easy casual outfit if you do like pants like this. Okay, I really like this. This top is in a size extra large. It's a tad bit see-through, but it's like a linen blend feel with a little ruffled like mock collar. It's so cute tucked in the skirt. Midi length, size extra large, little split on the side. Only on that side, not on both sides. Elastic waist. This is so comfortable. So cute. Could be so cute for spring. I even like it with these shoes. I like this. This is my favorite thing so far. Here's what the shirt looks like, by the way. Untucked all the way. I like it tucked in better, but if you don't, that's what it looks like untucked. You could even do just like a little, I like it tucked in all the way. I really like this skirt. It's very comfortable, very flowy, very cute. I like the little print on it too. Favorite thing by far. Like, I take it back, the skirt outfit is cute, don't get me wrong, but is this not a Taren outfit? I love a logo something. I think it's so cute. So hoodie and like jogger sweatpants, both in a size extra, extra large. This is such nice quality. It's so soft. Pants are a high-rise drawstring with pockets. This is an actual hoodie. Your hands can go through. Here, I'll untuck it a little bit. I just had it rolled over because I thought it was so cute that you could see the logo. Here's what it looks like, just pulled out. So it's not oversized on me. It's just like a regular fitted hoodie. But when you roll it like that, this is so cute. This is so comfortable. Do I need this? This came in so many different colors, by the way. I just liked the navy. Some of the logos were a little bit shiny, and I didn't love that. This is a win. Like this, while it's a mini haul, and maybe most things didn't work out or I didn't like them, this makes it totally worth it. This is so cute. Do I need another matching set? No. Do I want this one? Yes. I don't need it though. I absolutely do not need this. But this is so, like, you could wear this out. It's not just like lounge pajamas. Like this, even with these sandals, to like run errands and stuff, would be so cute. I'm holding the sweatsuit. Let's see if we can price check it. So here's the version with the zip up hoodie, and those look like regular, like straight leg pants, like sleep pants, lounge pants, whatever you want to do in them. But here's all the colors of this. It says lowest ticket price, 30% off. And this is the side that I grabbed from, this navy color right here with the navy joggers. Again, so many colors. Look at this peachy colored pant with that matches it. All right, so bottoms are an extra 40% off lowest price. Hoodies over here, 30. So that makes these 50 bucks with 40% off. Hoodies are $59.99, so 60 bucks with 30% off. Do we think I can find this cheaper online? Also, I don't need it. Like, if I lived somewhere that was cold, I would snatch it up. But I don't necessarily need it. Okay, we're putting it back. Here's a shorts version of it too. I don't see navy. I see black, gray, purple, and yellow. Okay, not the best look. However, that last sweatsuit, I tallied it up. It was about $72, like with the sale prices. I definitely would buy it if I lived somewhere that was cold, but I don't need it. Do I need it? I'll try to find everything and link it down below. Thanks for watching. It was a bit of a mini haul. Not a ton of things that I really liked. But I do think if you're gonna shop Gap, shop the outlet because of the discounts. Otherwise, it can be a little bit pricey. So my measurements are down below. You saw what sizes I was wearing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. We'll keep doing outlet type stores because there's so many in this little shopping center that I don't have in my city. So anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.